Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008. This is the GT line and it does come with a great specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, front and rear parking aids, and that does include a rear colour camera. You've also got a wireless charge plate for compatible smartphones and dual zone climate control. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment, well, we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.